What up, New York? This is a very, very cool moment. Thank you all for being here. Tonight on stage, we have some amazing musicians. I'm going to introduce them in a sec. But right now, I want you to make her feel so welcome. Because on stage in New York City is the one and only Thunder, Claire Sardina! Obviously, Kate Hudson, who played up in the movie. Craig Brewer was right down here and made all this possible. Thanks to the Johns. Thanks to everyone at Focus. Let's have some fun. Let's take it away. Nothing around with the sound of the heart in the sky. All right, everybody, come here. And money talk. They don't see you dancing. Begin to know it, but then I know it's growing strong. Come on, everybody! Wasn't it spring? And spring became the summer. Couldn't believe you come along. All right, I want to see all your hands. Hands. Touching hands. That's right. Reaching out. This is Rachel. Touching me, Dana. Touching you. Sweet Caroline. Your time never seems how good. Look at the night. It's clear. It don't seem so lonely. We fill it up. This movie is a love letter to you, as well as to Lightning and Thunder. And we want to say thank you to every single one of you for not just coming to the movie, for coming here tonight. And so many people in this room. We have crew, we have producers, we have actors.